we made a stop over here on top of the mountains of Surigao. So this is in Google Map, this is they call no? View deck. Tingnan masyado, overlooking the bay. Ikaw pa yung bay yan, no? But kanina continuous yung climb. Uy, mining pala to, May?
Yeah.
Nako, tingnan yung mining, oh. This is open pit mining. So we're in Surigao, no? Ito na, nagpa-parking kami. They created, they expanded yung area for view deck. Ilang lanes ba to? Oh, 4 lanes. And if you see, konti yung nagbabiyahe. Kasi today is you call, ano ba? Good Saturday? Black Saturday? Ito yung view. Now Surigao is known for yung before illegal logging. So along the way dito sa road, we saw mga signages, no, na prohibited na yung cutting of trees. So because hindi naman portion dito, grabe, no, na kalbo, no, parang dineclare, no. I saw yung signage declaring the area as a biodiversity zone. Taas. Wave here. Kami lang tao dito. Ito mga bagong trees pa to, parang reforestation to. You know, these are new trees, mga less than 5 years. So I hope dito ma-maintain talaga tong signage na biodiversity zone, no, yung area. Galing kami diyan, na yung winding road na yan. We came from the city, the town of Cantilan in Surigao del Sur. We're going to Lake Mainit, no? Ito yung mga kuha namin to cover areas, no, in Mindanao completely. So wag umupo, matuwad ka na, hulog ka dyan. This is the bay. Sige, okay. Oh, lawak. Ang sarap mag drive, no, ng ganito. Sa amin yung kalsada, practically. Ang bilis. Itong area, no? Dumaan yan kanina eh. Okay, picture time eh.